Bye. So for this new game, you okay, Alicia?
I don't feel good.
What?
I'm a zombie.
Ah, she's turning into a zombie! No! No! The zombie race. Aha. So for the zombie race, it's a simple tag game that, of course, you will play in a big sports room, outside, or in a big classroom when you've pushed a lot of chairs and tables. But here, what's going to happen is we are going to be zombies. So the zombies are always by two. So we hold hands like this, okay? And our goal is to catch people, but we can only move together, okay? So, and as soon as we catch someone, okay, catch Eddie. We say, okay, we caught you.
We caught you.
You are a zombie now. And so you are a
zombie now.
Okay? So let's start just the two of us, okay? And you guys run around here, and go! Okay, let's catch people. Okay. So we say every time.
We caught
It's you. You are a zombie now. If we don't say it, that person is free, okay? Let's continue. 1, 2, 3. We got you. You are a zombie now. Okay. Now there's only 2 non-zombies left. Okay. 1, 2, 3. We got you. You are a zombie now. Okay.
I am alive.
So. It's such a small environment. It's different, but the longer the zombie line is, the harder it is to catch people, actually. So be careful with kids pulling a bit too hard. Make sure they don't go crazy with that. But really, every time, 1, 2, 3, we caught you. You are a zombie now. Have fun. Bye.
Bye.